Have you ever wondered why certain foods don't sit well with you, while others seem to nourish you just right? Could it be that our ancestry plays a role in our dietary responses? Food intolerance, a common phenomenon, is often a result of our body's inability to digest certain substances found in foods. This inability can be traced back to our genetic makeup, a complex blueprint that's been influenced by our ancestors. For instance, many individuals of East Asian descent might find themselves intolerant to alcohol, while those of Northern European heritage can digest lactose much better than other groups. Even beyond these general intolerances, our genetic makeup can influence how our bodies respond to specific types of food. In the North African and Middle Eastern communities, there is a higher prevalence of gluten intolerance, while in the Mediterranean region, a significant number of individuals suffer from fructose malabsorption. Understanding the link between our ancestry and food intolerance could be the key to optimal health. Food intolerance is not just about discomfort. It can have far-reaching implications for our health and well-being. To fully understand this, let's first distinguish between food intolerance and food allergies. They might seem similar, but in reality, they are two different responses that our bodies have to certain foods. Food allergies trigger the immune system. They can cause severe reactions and are often life-threatening. On the other hand, food intolerance is generally less serious and often only leads to discomfort. It's typically a digestive system response, where the body has difficulty digesting a particular food, rather than an immune system response. What are the symptoms of food intolerance? They can be quite varied, ranging from mild to severe. Some people may experience stomach pain, bloating, or gas. Others might have headaches, migraines, or feel irritable. These symptoms usually occur a few hours after consuming the food that your body can't process properly, making it sometimes tricky to pinpoint exactly what's causing the discomfort. The impact of food intolerance on a person's health can be significant. It's not just about the immediate discomfort. Over time, if you continue to consume foods that your body struggles to digest, it can lead to chronic health issues. These include digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, skin conditions like eczema, and even mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. Some people might be intolerant to common substances found in a variety of foods like lactose or gluten. Others might have intolerances to specific foods such as eggs, shellfish, or certain types of fruits and vegetables. It's a highly individual matter. Food intolerance is more than an inconvenience. It's a sign that your body is struggling to process certain foods, and it's not something to be ignored. Being aware of your body's responses to certain foods, understanding the symptoms, and making appropriate changes to your diet can have a profound impact on your health. Being aware of your body's responses to certain foods can help you manage and even prevent the symptoms of food intolerance. The link between our ancestry and food intolerance is more significant than you might think. Our forefathers' dietary habits have left an indelible mark on our genetic makeup, influencing how our bodies react to different foods today. Consider the case of lactose intolerance, a condition prevalent among people of East Asian descent. This intolerance can be traced back to their ancestors, who didn't traditionally incorporate dairy into their diets. As a result, their bodies didn't evolve to produce lactase, the enzyme that breaks down lactose, leading to a higher prevalence of lactose intolerance in these communities today. On the other hand, Northern Europeans, whose ancestors relied heavily on dairy due to the region's agricultural practices, exhibit a lower incidence of lactose intolerance. Their bodies have evolved over time to produce the lactase enzyme efficiently, allowing them to digest dairy products with ease. Another example is the predisposition of people of Jewish descent to celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder triggered by gluten. This intolerance can be linked back to their ancestors' diets, which traditionally lacked gluten-containing grains. The link between ancestry and food intolerance is not just about identifying potential health risks. It also helps us understand the evolution of our dietary needs over time. Our ancestors' eating habits have shaped our genetic blueprint, providing us with a unique dietary heritage. Our ancestry can provide valuable insights into our dietary needs and potential food intolerances. So, embracing our ancestral diets might just be the key to better health and well-being. After all, we are what our ancestors ate. So, should we eat like our ancestors to boost our health and well-being? Well, embracing ancestral diets can be a key to unlocking better health, as our bodies may be genetically predisposed to digest certain foods better. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Balancing this approach with modern nutritional understanding is crucial. It's worth exploring your roots, but remember, each person's dietary needs are unique. While our ancestry can give us clues about our dietary needs, it's important to remember that every individual is unique. Listen to your body and seek professional advice when it comes to your diet. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Ring the notification bell to stay updated on more intriguing health insights.